Hey guys, so I've looked online and there were no videos or even articles on anyone putting a red dot on a Sig P238. And I wasn't sure if it was even possible, but I eventually came across an accessories mounting bracket from EGW. It says it's for a Sig P220 to P229 and a 320. I took a chance, I bought it, and I managed to get it mounted on my gun. I had to remove the dovetail sights off the back end of it. That's them laying there. I purchased a sight removal tool, and the mounting plate just slid right into the dovetail where the sight came off of. There, you can see it better there. And after doing that, I put a Romeo Zero Sig red dot on it. It fits it pretty well. You can see it there, and I like it. It didn't come with screws that fit it properly. These screws that I am currently using didn't come with it, but they are slightly too large. I just ordered some screws from Swamp Fox, and I think they're going to fit. No place locally had screws that had the heads that were small enough to fit the recess. This is what I need. You can see the heads are much smaller. They're a 6 to 6/32 screw thread, but they have a smaller flat head. I guess that's more of a beveled head, but they're much smaller than the ones that I put on. So I just kind of wanted to share this, let everyone know that yes, it is possible to mount a red dot on a little 238. Fits nicely. I think I'm going to like this a lot. Let's see, what else was it? Oh, there was one other thing. The plate came with 2 raised dimples to fit the sight. However, they were on the front side, and the holes on the sight to fit the dimples were in the back. So I had to take a file and smooth down those 2 dimples that were in the front, and then the red dot fit on top of it smoothly after that. So it did take a little bit of filing to make it fit, but overall I think I'm happy with it. It's small, it's light. Hope you enjoyed.